Vimana's inspection feature helps in quick assessment of assets like chimneys, telecom towers, and building facades from the central office. In the Inset window, drone-collected images are arranged in 3D space around the point cloud of the subject to provide context. Each image is represented by a paper plane, and clicking on one shows the corresponding image in the main window. To complete an inspection in minutes, you can also navigate in 3D space by looking at the image centers, but without the context of the point cloud. Also, to give you a global location context, you can navigate using a 2D map. Another mode of navigation is using the 4-way keypad dial. You can move up, down, left, right, back, and front. If there is an issue to be marked, Mark Issue tool can be used to annotate on the raw image. Name it appropriately for further tracking and click on Submit Issue. All issues captured can be shared amongst project members. This topic is covered in a different video. Sign up for free on aspectcray.com to try out the inspection feature of Vimana.